Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Canon R5 with the Canon R5 II, and we're going to look at what are the main differences. So megapixels, sensor type, ISO range, lens mount, the image stabilization, the screen type, even the electronic viewfinder resolution are the same. Now you're gonna have R5 II got the better electronic FPS for the continuous shooting speed, and then also the weight is better for Canon R5 but not much, and dimensions. So that's like pretty much it. Now we're going to look here on the what are some the deeper when we go. So with the R5 Mark II, you're gonna have the stacked sensor, zero blackout viewfinder, video record limit that is going to be unlimited, dedicated video still switch, pre-shooting buffer, lens breathing correction, eye control AF, continuous shooting, then also the battery life, full-size HDMI port, focus stacking, multifunction interface, and also min focus sensitivity and IC stop effectivity. So these are the main differences. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.